Ramdev's Patanjali has taken its Swadeshi crusade to the next level. The FMCG major's carpet-bombing radio and television spots with ads equating its rivals to the East India Company. Priya Sheth reports that the battle for perception is as fierce as the battle for market share.
सन 1906 पूरे भारत ने एकजुट होकर स्वदेशी से स्वाधीनता का अभियान शुरू किया था। स्वदेशी अपनाओ और विदेशी जलाओ का नारा पूरे देश में गूंज रहा था। आज फिर उसी रास्ते पर चलकर देश को आर्थिक आजादी दिलाने की आवश्यकता आन पड़ी है।
This is the latest no-holds-barred attack from Patanjali on multinationals like HUL, Colgate and Nestle.
पतंजलि अपनाइए, देश को आर्थिक आजादी दिलाइए।
And it's not just TV advertisements. Patanjali has tied up with 4 major radio stations for a 15-day campaign centered around Independence Day. All this comes at a time when the Advertising Standards Regulator served notices to the company for what it termed as misleading and unsubstantiated ads that denigrates other products. But Baba Ramdev is not taking this lying down.
7 दिन नहीं होते कि कोई ना कोई नया पेज पत्र आ जाता है। हमने विज्ञापन में कोई झूठ नहीं बोला, हमने विज्ञापन में किसी भी तरह से कोई भ्रम नहीं फैलाया। आज की को अपनी संवैधानिकता, उसकी लीगल आइडेंटिटी क्या है, वो खुद ही लीगल एक संस्था है जो अपने आप में ही सेल्फ रेगुलेशन बनी हुई है। और हम भारत सरकार को भी पत्र लिखेंगे और इस आस्ती के खिलाफ हम मानहानि का मुकदमा भी करेंगे कि पतंजलि को बदनाम करने के लिए, उसके खिलाफ दुष्प्रचार करने के मानो सुपारी दी गई आपकी।
Patanjali is clearly sniffing a conspiracy, but has the company taken it a little too far with its latest advertisement? Ad gurus don't seem to think so. They believe all is fair in love, war and marketing.
Baba Ramdev, I think he stirred the pot, the marketing pot, so to say. I do believe Ramdev looks at the astra that he has in marketing, and one of the biggest weapons he has is the fact that Patanjali Ayurved is a Desi company. Not that others are not. So I think he's used that to advantage, and I very frankly believe that in love and marketing, everything is fair. And I think as far as Ramdev is concerned, he's used a weapon, and now you'll see reactions to that use.
Patanjali is not the first company to air controversial advertisements, and the company is only getting provocative with every campaign. But can they capture market share just by stirring up the nationalistic fervor? In Mumbai, with Priya Sheth, Kritika Saxena.